Moving up in the world.
Shut up.
Alright, same shut up.
God, I'm stuck with this bitch.
You're stuck with that same shit.
Okay.
With the lightning!
Let's do this. It's on.
Let's say it was beyond like Donkey Kong, but no one's Donkey Kong.
Yeah.
Where did the phrase "it's on like Donkey Kong" come from?
I have no idea.
Diddle-loo-loo-loo.
And they're off. To decide the fate in the epic race that is Mario Kart. Ow. I hit the pendulum.
Clank.
I hit the pendulum again. Oh, I almost hit the pendulum, then I almost ran off the track. Wee. This is fun. Wee.
Just,
Oh my god.
No! I thought I could drive over those.
Wee. Ow.
The moment when you think you can drive over something.
It dicks you over.
Blue shell, by the way.
Crap, I see it. And it didn't hit me good.
What?
Ah, but I could get hit by a green shell.
And I get hit by the blue shell.
I see the explosion from where I am.
Again? This game has it out for
I ran off the edge again. I got hit. I got my brain shattered pretty much. By the.
That's because there's no walls for you to run into with your track.
Shut up.
Shoot!
Go down. We.
Oh, I know how I'm
Crap.
this one.
Wait, do you fly off?
Essentially. We.
I should have done a trick there.
Hey, is that Donkey Kong? Ow.
Did I snipe you with that?
I think so.
Oh, I just jacked the box from Peach.
I hit the pendulum again.
It's your friend.
Take that. Or not. Objection.
Overruled.
That's Ace Attorney Investigations 2. Which I have started playing, by the way. It's pretty good. The fan translation is.
You just playing on the PC then?
Yep. Emulator for the win.
Yay!
Please don't let me run off again.
Hey, it's not ninth place.
I
You
saw.
should just wait. You should just wait. Press the brakes at the finish line. Ninth place.
Aim
We're
for
good.
No, I ain't starting it off like that.
Ninth or bust.
Yeah.
Okay, what's up next? Oh. Oh.
This one.
Oh.
Yeah, maybe we can
Fine.
find the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles from down here.
Heroes in a half shell.
Turtle power.
I like turtles. Crap. Oh, that kind of worked out. Oh yeah, I remember this place now. It has frickin' tight corners.
Yep.
Like right here. Off! Into the loo we go. Oh, that was close.
I don't like this part.
Da 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 da. The part right after the waterfall.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little tedious. Eh. Ugh, that was close. That was even closer. Oh, I almost made it. Alas. Oh. Oh. Wasn't able to capitalize there.
Oh, with this speed boost pad.
Yeah. Whoa! Oh, what?
What?
The blue shell hit me mid-air, but
Oh
whatever.
my god! I wasn't even in first place.
Saddest part is I watched it fly by.
Oh my.
I hit the pity piranha.
I hit the Goomba.
I hit the Goomba too.
What the what's that?
That's
Forgive-
a great question. What the?
Oh! Throw!
Slide, damn it.
Damn it! I thought I could cut that corner.
Oh, God! Oh, I'm not about to get red shelled.
Yeah, by me.
Bite me.
Okay, Mario.
No, I missed.
Oh my god, I can't believe I missed that.
Ah!
Road walls. Ninth
Oh,
place, damn
that was
it.
miserable.
Hey, I beat Josh again.
You must have really low standards if your only goal is beating me, Andrew.
Screw the comms! I gotta beat this guy!
What is your vendetta against me?
Cause I do.
What?
that.
Oh, shit.
Oh, you don't hear me talking crap when I beat you.
Oh.
Out of my way in your tiny bike.
Donkey Kong is falling off.
The edge of the earth. It's awesome.
You got hit by a banana as soon as I went off a jump.
Oh, I know what bike I should have picked.
Too
The
late.
one with the horses.
There's a horse bike?
Yeah, kinda.
I know there's a horse cart, not a horse bike. Whoa.
Because then I could play Look at My Horse. My horse is amazing.
Give it a lick.
It tastes just like raisins.
Whatever you say.
Ah, fire!
Oh,
Turbulence.
Ah! I ran off. I almost ran off the edge. I hit a wall and I bounced back.
You should have run off the edge. Oh no, the track is disappearing. Was that a gimmick in the original version too?
Yep.
Oh.
Ah, you son of a...
Brr, brr. Oh. Well, that boost went nowhere.
I got fucking sniped by a green shell.
You sure what you were sniped and not just a victim of ricochet?
Headshot.
Pretty much sniped.
Who sniped you? Oh, I fell off.
I don't know, somebody with a green shell.
Obviously.
I don't know who it was.
Okay.
No!
Oh!
I got hit by the bullet bill of Josh.
Don't fall off, don't fall off, don't fall off! Thank
Fall
you.
off, fall off, fall off.
Thank you, awesome handling stat.
No! God damn it, I did it instead.
That's what you get for being such a small bike.
For being such a small bike.
On a small bike.
I'm on the one
But
that
yes,
was...
you are a small bike too. Oh crap, oh crap. Don't-
What the hell?
I fell off.
What? I didn't make that?
Yay!
What the fuck? Oh my god, that was really stupid.
Crack, do it! Crack! Who cares?
Who cares?
There's no boundaries in life. Like that. Screw the boundaries. I got drugs. You should just take your time.
The dinky bike.
Shut up!
Hey, look, it's like... That was like a good middle, like, distributed, like, finish. It was like top, middle, bottom. That's
Andrew,
kinda
the middle finger will not let you do better.
Yes, it will. It lets me have good self-esteem.
What?
No, not Rainbow Road again.
God, I forgot.
Damn it, now you made me miss the boost.
We hit me, I dare you.
Give me that extra boost.
You want boost on this lap, on this map.
This one isn't that bad. You can drift through the entire thing. Pretty much.
Ah! Yay! I fell off! Again!
Okay. Wait. Damn it, Donkey Kong, get back here. I want my item. Oh, it's one continuous track. Okay.
Yep.
Ah!
Some of them are like that, and I kind of like that, because then you only have to do one lap, you know?
But still, it's one.
But this one doesn't have chain chomps, like, running out throughout the entire course, because in 64 they did.
Ooh. Oh, they're the balloons, aren't they?
Wait, what?
Those huge things bouncing on the track.
Yeah.
Looks like they were chain shots.
Yeah, chain chomps. Oh
Can I
my
get
god.
I get something good out of an item box.
Could I just,
Crack.
like, get back up to top speed again? Shit.
Choo choo. All aboard the Thomas train. Ah. I shouldn't have done that. Oh. Oh, that cost me big time.
Got 6.
8th.
11!
I got greedy.
Yes!
Still did really well, Jacob.
Thank you. I was gonna be mad if I lost by like a point.
Replay real.
Was it the straight face?
I just realized that Wario's in a submarine in the loading screen.
Look at that snipe.
Oh, that was me? Huh. Okay.
Well, it showed my
Fire! Nope.
No. Oh, it was the last lap. There's Josh and Bullet Bill.
Boom!
There's when he hit me.
There's Toad with a horn.
Oh, it's not gonna show me with the last.
Yay.
Uh-huh. Good thing I recorded this.
Lightning Cup.
Congratulations!
The
Yeah.
key 2 doesn't have to tell you that you suck. Ah, the end credits.
Yeah.
And we got 2 more cups.
Yep, and then later when the other DLC comes out, we'll have that.
Should we
too.
just
Question.
Just go ahead. Andrew, you have a
Yes.
question?
Oh, why the hell were they having helmets and they weren't even racing?
Who?
Who? Me's?
Yeah, well, no, there was like people jumping, like toads or something.
Oh, I don't know.
And why aren't these people wearing helmets?
We weren't wearing helmets.
Shut up.
It's rated, what, E10? E
Yes.
Is it?
E
What do
for
you think
everyone?
they would
T,
do?
T.
They don't need helmets. They're not gonna die.
We're hardcore.
I just came up with an idea. Mortal Kombat Kart.
What?
Fatality. You run off the stage once, dead. Disqualified.
Get over here!
Indeed.
Freeze the cart. Slides off, dead.
Introducing Kratos.
That would be like the slowest fucking cart. Athena! Why must you make me lose?
Oh, jeez. That would be kind of fun, I think.
Mortal Kombat.
Yeah. MKK.
Can you skip these?
Yeah.
I think so. We may as well talk over them.
Yeah.
Have we given our thoughts on this game yet?
No.
No.
Okay. Jacob, want to start since you own the game?
I've owned it too. But
Yeah.
Owned it.
I bought it the day it came out. And out of all the Mario Karts, I do think this is one of the best ones, except for that battle mode. That battle mode sucks. Go back to regular battle mode, please. They did fix one problem when the game first came out. The first option was to view the highlight reel instead of going to the next race.
Oh, yeah.
They eventually changed it, so that's fine now. And for course layouts and stuff, they're really good. I didn't mind this one's Rainbow Road as much. They were very creative, and I liked the music. It was more jazzy than other Mario Karts. Alright, anyone? Who's next?
Visually, I can say that this is the best installment yet, but then again, that's to be
Mario
expected.
Kart in HD!
Yep.
still like Double Dash is better.
Really?
Well, it had a different mechanic.
Yeah.
You get two drivers, technically.
What was the point of having two drivers in that game?
One uses items, one
Man, you could switch, couldn't you?
Yep,
Yeah.
you just press Z.
So you could have what, two sets of items?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, that's another thing that's changed. You can only have one item, so you couldn't hold one and get another item.
Yeah, I noticed that too. Usually, from my memory in previous installments, you could ready one item and then pick up another one.
Mm-hmm.
And here you can't do that.
Yep. I think it makes it a little more balanced.
Balanced for everyone.
Because then you can't keep that one red shell you know you always want to keep.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. Otherwise, while I personally don't own the game, I do like what I've played. I don't really have much else to say aside from what Jacob's already mentioned. So, Andrew, it's your turn.
What? What do you want me to do?
What do you think about the game?
I don't know. Fuck.
Good? Bad?
It's alright. It's not as... Battle mode still sucks.
Well, we know that.
Yeah. We tried that once and we're never going back.
Still
Who wants to race with balloons, guys?
Who wants to go backwards and forwards on the track? Who cares?
Yeah. I guess I also like that they brought back kart customization from 7.
What was the first game to introduce that? Was it 7? I don't think we did it.
DS didn't. You just got
It was
karts
7.
just like 7.
Okay.
Sounds like it. Yep.
Okay. Well, next time I guess you'll see the DLC cups.
Yep. Till then.